Arabian jasmine plant is a summer season flowering plant that grows very fastly and also produces hundreds of blooms. A good fertilizer is very much responsible for the fast growth of roots, as well as younger buds and shoots. Making an organic and powerful fertilizer for jasmine plant requires a few very useful ingredients that will be available around you very frequently. Otherwise you can buy them from the description box. So first let's know, what type of fertilizer do jasmine plant requires? It is a heavy feeder that requires variety of nutrients to produce lots of blooms. A powerful organic fertilizer with multiple benefits and nutrients works perfect to feed Arabian jasmine roots. For this, I have different components that I will show you one by one, but before that let's know about few very useful benefits of using this organic fertilizer for jasmine plant. Regular use of this organic jasmine fertilizer gives you more root growth, less effect of insects, a stronger immune system, more buds, more flowers, and a new growth on the plant also. So that's why the use of this fertilizer worth its value. Now let's know about some organic component we need. As Arabian jasmine plant is a flowering plant. Therefore, it requires acidic soil, and for making the soil acidic, I have an important ingredient that is the tea powder. Tea powder have tannic acid that makes the soil acidic for the plant. I am using tea powder in dried form and make sure the tea waste is dried in sun for 1 day. An acidic soil mix is very useful to get faster absorption of nutrients in the soil, and more growth of buds and flowers. The other component for making the best jasmine fertilizer will be compost. That you can prepare at home from the kitchen wastes, otherwise you can buy ready-to-use compost from the description box. Compost is very much helpful to provide variety of macronutrients like zinc, carbon, magnesium, iron, and so on to the plant. Arabian jasmine plant blooms very healthily if you provide these type of micronutrients to the plant time to time. The next ingredient for making the best fertilizer for jasmine plant is very much important to get more and more blooms, that is mustard cake powder. Mustard cake powder is very much beneficial for all type of flowering plants. I am adding it in powder form so it can dissolve in the soil fastly. It is also added in the description box to buy. And the last ingredient for making jasmine fertilizer is the rich source of calcium that helps your jasmine plant to possess a healthy immune system. I am also using the eggshell pieces in crushed form. They have the other microelements as well. All of these nutrients works together and provide our Arabian jasmine plant a very powerful combination of nutrition. Mix all of them properly and our fertilizer is ready to use. Dig the upper layer of soil and let it dry for 1 day. Sprinkle this organic jasmine fertilizer in every 8 inches pot. Mix it with the soil and instantly add water. After adding this organic fertilizer on your jasmine plant, now you can put your Arabian jasmine plant in a sunny space for maximum blooming. Because it is an organic fertilizer, therefore it requires a little bit of time to show its amazing results, so be patient. You can apply this fertilizer on jasmine plant every 15 to 20 days, especially in their growing season. So it's all about this fertilizer. For any question leave a comment below. And if you wants to know how you can propagate your jasmine plant at home, must check out this video.